This is our larger size upgrade refrigerator in the what we call a two-way, a compressor refrigerator. So it does not work on propane. As a compressor motor, works on either 12-volt battery power or 120 electricity shore power. This is the largest size we offer, 130-liter refrigerator freezer. The latch is located in the middle, and you reach over to the right and you can just open the door. Inside you have your door storage, food storage, vegetable storage, small freezer tray. Lifts up. Freezer tray has a magnet on the door. So when you close this, you want to make sure your freezer is closed. Light comes on and off automatically as you open and close the door. The refrigerator controls your temperature setting, and your on and off switch is a dial right inside here, right underneath the light. To turn that on and off, just swivel it. You'll feel it click into the on position, and you can turn the dial anywhere from 1 to 7 to make it colder or warmer. In the wintertime, if it's really cold outside, you can set the temperature a little lower. Summertime, you can crank that temperature up so it cools a little bit better. To turn it off when you're done for your trip, just twist the knob till it reaches the end point and give it a little extra twist, and it'll click. It'll turn the refrigerator off. It'll turn the compressor off. Defrost your freezer tray. Wipe everything down inside, get all the moisture out, let it dry, and then shut the door. When you're traveling and you're using the refrigerator, it's a good idea to give the refrigerator door a little extra push when you close it, and then when you push it, it'll click into place. That locks this latch, and the newer models have a safety feature over here where you can swivel this to really lock that door from opening accidentally. So you can swivel that over, open your door here, it'll swivel open, close it. Normal use, you can just latch it when you're driving, put the safety latch on, and you're good to go. This is the second size of our two-way compressor refrigerator upgrade. This is the isotherm 85-liter. It's the medium size. Might be our best seller, but it's very popular because it's a good size. Some models of campers with the medium-sized refrigerator, you'll get a little bit of storage up here in the top area. But this works the same as the 130 and the 65. Latches here, opens up, door storage, refrigerator storage. Because it's the smaller size, there's no produce tray at the bottom. Still have a freezer with a magnet. Put cold food in here before you leave for your trip. Pre-cool it. When you're ready to leave, close your freezer door. Your switch for your temperature setting and your on-off is in the same location. And the most important thing about a compressor refrigerator is that it's powering from 12-volt source, 12-volt battery source, 24 hours a day. So if a customer chooses this option, they'll need dual battery setups with a big solar panel on the roof and sometimes a portable solar panel as well. The importance of dual batteries in a solar system with a compressor style refrigerator is that this is pulling power 24 hours a day, and you'll need some way to keep up with that to keep the refrigerator running and not drain the camper batteries. This door shuts the same way. Push it, it'll give a click, and then when you're traveling, you can put your little safety flap closed so the door can't fly open. It's locked already, and to open and close it the same way. For video purposes, we didn't have the small size refrigerator in the showroom, but this is the smallest size. This is the isotherm two-way compressor refrigerator in the 65-liter. Not many customers order this because it's small, unless they're getting a Fleet or a Swift model. Door opens the same way. One tray for food, one lower bottom of the refrigerator for storage. Drinks, food in the door. Freezer tray is the same. Control is the same. Lights is the same. So this is just the smallest compressor refrigerator. Door latch is the same way. 65-liter refrigerator, small freezer. This also needs dual batteries, solar panel on the roof because it is also running on battery power 24 hours a day. Very nice refrigerators. The two-way compressors are reliable. They don't have to be level. They cool efficiently. You just need to keep them powered up by having good battery supply and good solar system to keep the batteries charged throughout the day and the night. This is the outside refrigerator vents for the compressor refrigerators. The compressor refrigerators are two-way, AC/DC, no propane feature. It's an upgraded style refrigerator. Does not have to be perfectly level. On the back side, we put in refrigerator ventings. No controls back here, no electrical, no propane. This is just airflow to allow cool air to come in, hot air to come out the top. If you have a refrigerator vent fan installed, it's always a good idea to run that in the hot weather. But the most important thing for these vents is just keep this area clear. Don't pack a lot of gear in here. Keep the spiders, leaves, and stuff out of there. Keep the venting open and let it breathe.